on our essay. Okay, you'll see that we have to do the grammar test. So you have review for our test and then actually taking the grammar test. Then we go down to our essay. Okay, so in Module 8, we had our outline. Okay, there's no rough draft here. So what I really recommend is that you send me your essay early in the week. If you know that you might need some editing or some extra support, send it early in the week and I can make my comments and edits and then send it back to you and you can fix it up and submit it again. Okay, you can make your grade higher that way. So it's kind of like a rough draft because you're working on it and I'm just allowing you to make the changes. Okay, but I will not allow you to do that after the Sunday at 11:59. So that means if you know that you might need some support, you cannot send me your essay on Sunday at 11:30 and expect me to allow you to edit everything and send it again. I'm not going to do that this time. Okay, so please make sure that if you know you need extra help and support or just more revisions that you need or extra writing help, that you do not wait to the last minute. Okay, so if you know you're one of those people, send it early in the week. I will help you. I will spend time with it and do everything I can to help you. Then you make the corrections and you send it again. Okay, and I can raise your grade if you actually do that. But again, if you wait till Sunday night at 11:30, 11:40, okay, and expect me to change the grade after that, it's not going to change. Okay, it's just you have that one time to submit it and that is it. That extra help and support is only if you send it early in the module. So there's time to do that. Okay. Just like always, it'll be in MLA format. So please make sure. A lot of you forget about formatting and it's a big part of the grade. Okay. You should always have your name, my name, English 100 and our section W05 and the date. So if it is October 18th, you put 18 October 2022. It is not written like the date is normally with a comma and the month first and the date and the day and the year. So keep that in mind. And also at the top right corner, you need your last name and page number. So mine would say Gondek 1. Okay, there's not Gondek page 1. It is Gondek 1. Next page would be Gondek 2. Please, if you have the format already there and you just kind of erase and add your last name, that you get rid of last name page number. I see that a lot. You don't erase the outline or the format. Please make sure you do that. Make sure it's in 12-point font, Times New Roman, double spaced. It'll always be like that. So nothing is different there. And at this point, you did the hard work in the outline. You had to figure out what you wanted to do and how you were going to organize it. So it should be after you get your grade back for the outline and you've submitted your work, it should be easy to actually write the essay. If you're still struggling with writing though, and it's not easy for you, again, ask me for support, ask me for help, ask questions. It's okay. I'd rather have you ask me 20 questions than submit something that's just not your best because you were afraid to ask me a question. That doesn't make sense to me. You're here, you need the help and support. I'm here to do that for you, but you have to ask. I can't read your mind because I'm not actually in class with you. I don't know. I will do everything I can on my end to help you, but you have to put the work in. Okay, so please make sure that you do that as well. Even if it's questions on format or anything, just ask me. Don't wait to the last minute to ask me. I know that a lot of you work. I always say that, but time management is really important. Okay, so knowing that you have a big essay due in this module, you have a test as well. Don't wait until Sunday to do both of these things. It is too much work. It is not going to be your best work. Okay, and that's the other thing I always say too, and a lot of you, I email you this as well. Read over your essays before you send them. Okay, so you're finally done writing. Don't just hit submit. Okay, read it over. Have someone else read it over. If you can print it out, that's the best way to write. And read it over and make the corrections on the paper. I know it's kind of old school, but it really helps when you see it and read it out loud to yourself. Sometimes you can fix a lot of your own mistakes just reading it out loud to yourself. Read it out loud to a family member or a friend. If you don't have anyone to read it to at the time, record yourself reading it out loud on a video recorder, audio recorder on your phone and listen to it. Does it make sense? A lot of the times you'll fix your mistakes just like that. Okay, before you even send it to me, read over your work. Okay, a lot of the mistakes can be fixed just by doing that. All right, if you have any questions, as always, please let me know. And I look forward to reading your essays. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend and have a good week. Bye.